To buy crypto with an Apple gift card, you need to understand the process and the platforms involved. First, you should know that Apple gift cards are not directly accepted by most cryptocurrency exchanges. However, you can use the gift card to buy items or services that can be resold or traded for cryptocurrency. The first step is to find a platform that allows you to buy items or services with your Apple gift card. One such platform is a gift card exchange website. These websites allow you to exchange your gift card for cash or other gift cards that can be used to buy cryptocurrency. Once you have found a suitable platform, create an account and navigate to the section where you can sell or exchange your gift card. Follow the instructions provided by the website to complete the exchange process. You will typically need to provide the gift card details, including the card number and balance. After exchanging your Apple gift card for cash or another gift card, you can use the funds to buy cryptocurrency. One way to do this is by using a peer-to-peer marketplace. These marketplaces connect buyers and sellers directly, allowing you to purchase cryptocurrency with the cash or gift card you obtained from the exchange. Another option is to use a cryptocurrency exchange that accepts the type of gift card or cash you have. Some exchanges have partnered with gift card providers, allowing you to buy cryptocurrency directly with your gift card. However, this option is less common and may not be available for all types of gift cards. When buying cryptocurrency with your Apple gift card, it is essential to follow best practices to ensure a safe and secure transaction. Always use reputable platforms and exchanges, and make sure to read and understand the terms and conditions before proceeding. Additionally, be aware of any fees associated with the transaction, as they can vary depending on the platform and the type of cryptocurrency you are buying. In conclusion, buying crypto with an Apple gift card requires some extra steps, but it is possible. By using a gift card exchange website and a peer-to-peer marketplace or a cryptocurrency exchange, you can convert your gift card into cryptocurrency. Always prioritize security and follow best practices to ensure a successful transaction.